Hello friends, welcome to our channel. Let's talk about the ongoing issues and topic in the Pakistan. Yes, the hot topic is that there are various issues and various topics which are making the news and headlines in the Pakistan and the entire world. Is that Pakistan has lifted ban from the TLP, and the news of the today is that Pakistan is in the negotiation and the ceasefire talk with the TTP, Tehreek-e-Taliban of Pakistan, the same militant organization which was called to be the responsible for the various attacks and the several mass killing in the Pakistan. uh, TTP, the same organization which was active in the Afghanistan, Pak and Afghan border. The TLP, which is supposed to be said of the people who support the protector of the blasphemous, and who believe to punish who break the blasphemous and who violate the blasphemy. Okay, the all right, the Saad Rizvi has been released, and there is a one more important topic is that Pakistan has reached to semis, and lots of people, lots of the supporter, even inside the India, who celebrate the win of the Pakistan against India. Many of them have been taught a good lesson by our security establishment, and but there are more information for them is that Pakistan is under severe economic crisis. The inflation rate in the Pakistan has grown up to 9%. The per capita income of Pakistan is going down and down. It has been going down at present. The In the latest report of IMF, the per capita income of Pakistan is which was around 1482 dollar. Uh, from that point, it has it has it has come down to around $1200. Uh, Also, you won't believe that the the price of the sugar crisis uh, is going on into the Pakistan, because of some wrong decision and the bad some bad action and the wrong action taken by their leader. Pakistan condition is severe, and it's turning into pathetic. The price of petrol has crossed to 140. And let's talk about the various issues, all these things. Okay, let's talk about the first TLP. The TLP, uh, an organization which began in 2015 by Khadim Rizvi against a movement which started a protest, the assassinator of Punjab Governor Qadir, who assassinated the Punjab Governor Tasir. Um, Against the release of that assassinator, there were a movement started in 2015. The Khadim Rizvi, the father of Saad Rizvi, who was supposed to be the leader of that movement. And now the Saad Rizvi, who was arrested in this year, April 2021, has been released. All the actions against the Saad Rizvi and their supporter have been taken back. Um, and the issues owing to which the TLP initiated the protest in April 2021, they have taken back the demand of the shutting down the French embassy and to oust the French ambassador from their country. Pakistan couldn't afford at that time to to shut down French embassy, and they just arrested Issad Rizvi. But now they have again, when the long march started in fr- from 22nd of October. There's a great history of long march in Pakistan. It has been a good dissentment expression, a kind of which really has got successful in the last some year, because in 2014, when the Imran Khan PTI took the long march against the existing Nawaz Sharif uh, government, against some political, against some the elections, which was elections scams, and also the Pashtun Long March in the previous year, and is very famous. Also, the PPP party of and the other party, People's Democratic, the Pakistan, has taken some long march against the PTI government, against the mm, climbing economic crisis. Now, at this time, all the issues has been taken back from the TLP, Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan. They have been set free. All the prisoner of who were arrested against the charges of murder, killing, and the violence, and the breaking all the law and order, and various police personals, and Pakistan security establishment lost mm, a huge damage occurred to the security agencies of Pakistan. But now things have been taken back, things have been undone. So what made the Pakistan to do so? Because TLP brought the Pakistan government in on their knees. They they covered the Islamabad. They were just almost about to cover the entire Islamabad into their hands. The all It was uh, almost about to come in over a standstill. So also the economic condition is of Pakistan is very poor. The hunger, people are not able to purchase. Their capability of purchasing the needful uh, for their livelihood has been decreased. Capita income has been decreased, and the the rising prices of the food items, they are under the severe severe threat uh, of economic crisis. The chronic condition of Pakistan is uh, cannot be hidden by any condition. The same uh, the TLP, Tehreek-e-Labbaik Pakistan, was said to be the people who follow the Prophet. Uh, they support the blasphemous laws, and uh, uh, those who violate and those who insult Prophet, they believe in punishing them. So, in the entire episode, when the Saad Rizvi has been released, all the protesters, all the personnel have been evicted from the jail, and the TLP has taken back their demand of eviction of the French embassy. Why did the reason behind the demand of the TLP of eviction of French embassy in April 2021, which brought the support of lots of people, and they come together with the TLP. was that uh, a satirical magazine Charlie Hebdo published a cartoon image of Prophet, which the TLP believed that was insulting to their religious sentiment. They hurt the religious sentiment mm, of the peoples. So that's why they wanted to evict the French embassy, because the Charlie Hebdo has done it repeatedly. Maybe uh, this was done purposely and with uh, but but now at this time, and they have taken back the demand, all the things have been undone. Where is the principles of Prophet? Where is the ideology? So things have been undone, and also the TTP, the Pakistan is just uh, releasing the all the responsible person who killed their security forces personals, who destroy the uh, who just brought the nation into the uh, standstill. Pakistan is and also they have given the permission uh, to organize, to participate in the election. Now, if the group like TLP will participate in election, and things will change. This is the time to consider that how things are going on. TTP, Pakistan is already in talk, already has done the ceasefire with the TTP. Now they have already uh, released the TLP, lifted the ban from the TLP, but some uh, but some some of the fan of this kind of country are busy in celebrating the win of Pakistan cricket team. Let them enjoy, let them play, but they are just forgetting where the nation is going on. So this was the ongoing topic which I thought that I should bring a uh, video. So how did you feel about the whole episode of which is going on near to our country? If you agree with my opinion, and my opinion are just personal, and they are not biased, and they are not made to hurt any religious sentiment, and I respect every religion. uh, for me, all the religions are equally important, and all the people are also equally important. But I believe that instead of talking about the religion, they should bring some. Uh, they should talk about the welfare of their country's people. They should talk about the hunger. They should talk about the conserving the nature environment. They should talk about the education, hospital, and other amenities which are required for a dignified livelihood. uh, and instead of playing the blame game towards each other country, why don't they focus over their own people? Okay, if you like the video, please like and share it and subscribe our channel. Hit fit alert. Okay, thank you.